Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, spots are filling up pretty quick and they are limited now. You can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Or you can actually just purchase the book. I actually just released the book on Amazon. You guys can find it here, right? You guys can find it here under this title on Amazon. It just released on Saturday, so or you guys can get the Kindle version, right? I think, and if you have Kindle Unlimited, it's completely free. And I think there's I think Amazon put a special on it or something. I don't know. It's $100. It's on Amazon. So there you go. Quick selfless plug. But very, very simple TA for me. I told you guys that after we started pushing up, right? My last video of SPX was, I think we're going to 540. That drop to 470 on the 2-week was not happening because we were recovering too quickly. We closed a 1-week bull trigger, actually back here at 521, right? And then after that, obviously we pushed another $10. So I do think that as of right now, we are headed straight for a 5491 target. And why does it now? Plus button, there you go. That alert. There it is. So I think we're headed to 5491.69, somewhere around that area, because that's that fib after we broke the high. So yeah, it's very simple to hear right now. It's all about, we're in price discovery because we're basically at all-time highs right now, right? With no end. So as of right now, these are your targets: 549207, 584354, 6195, and 6412. And again, these are all just straight fib targets, right? Because you broke that high. That's really all I use, and that's really all I need because 9 times out of 10, this fib is going to be 100% accurate, when you break highs, right? And really, I only use the Fibonacci, like this forecast is when we break these highs, right? And this is also based off the breakout strategy that I developed, right? Which is essentially just, I don't want to give too much information out, but essentially it's just, you basically run the fib from high to low, and when you have a V shape like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. When you have a V shape like this, right? A big pop above that close, I'd say generally, most of the time you end up breaking it to the upside, right? You end up being in price discovery, or you're going to hit that fib like a really good amount of the time. So yeah, that's kind of basically it. I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, I do think that we're going to 5492. Shop, right, are the current positions that I'm in. I'm in Shopify. It already hit my first target of, right, I did have calls. It already hit my first target of 5858 or 5885. Next target is $62. And then on Meta, I'm currently in Meta as well. I'm like, oh, I'm so upset that it's dropping still. And it is going, and I have my first target at 479, and then 484, and then around 505 is my next target. So we'll see what's going on. Hopefully Meta starts recovering because I'm tired of holding this crap, and it basically just, I basically bought up here, right? I bought like at 480, and it's just been, so far dropping right now. I didn't really follow my strategy for this one. I just got in because I thought it was gonna pop. But I'm just holding for now because I got month-out calls and I got time. So yeah, I think SPX again. Yeah, I think this thing's going to like 549 SPX. Basically, that's basically the point of this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.